Alright, just a video here on, well, it's for the Gotcha 3D, the G3D Mark II VS drum mag. I had this for a while, I've been waiting to test it. It's a 60 round drum mag. I've got about, I don't know, 30 of the little red 4 gram, 3 point, whatever, the Riotballs. Yeah, I don't want to put the heavy ones in because once you stack that many in with the plastic little bits inside, I don't know how it's going to hold up yet, but yeah, it comes with, well, we're going to be using it in the M17. I got the M14 EBR kit from magfedmaker.com. They got some nice kits there, but yeah, we got this drum mag here, and you got to get the adapter. Pretty much you can get an adapter for any marker out there. This one just happens to be the for the G3D, and I had to file these little slots in right here. Just this little slot for the mag catch. But that was pretty easy. Yeah, to open it, you just turn that off, and as you can see here, I got about 30 Canada Riotballs. The little 4 grammers. Put this back on. And yeah, it's got the part at the front. You just wind this up, and the balls will come up. I'm not sure how it works yet, but we're about to find out if it even works. Yeah, apparently I was told not to wind this up too tight. Other people had earlier models and ended up breaking theirs. There are spare parts. It comes with spare parts, every single part except for I think the spring. But maybe I even got one of those. I don't know, but you can always get them at the store too. Also, I got a adapter for the VKS. So you just take this little plate off, and that'll slide out, and this slides in. And I gotta do a little bit of work on this still. Right up here, I gotta attach that little detent. I gotta put in there. The guy put one in, but it's down here a little lower, and it's activated like that. With this little piece here, that moves the detent in. I don't know if you can see it, but I can either do a simple modification to make that work, or just take the detent out of one of these, or get a spare one, and they got the spot where I can put it in. But yeah, anyways, I got my 1100 PSI tank. It's been about, I don't know, I'd say about close to a year now since I've shot. Maybe, I don't know, it could be more, since I shot the M17. And before I was making videos, I chronographed it, and I was getting around 47 to 50 joules for my top. So I mean, it should still be set like that. I'm pretty sure I ultra soaked everything too, so it should be still well lubed, and I just don't know how this is going to work yet, but let's find out. Just take our mag, clicks in, and our 1100 PSI bottle, the Pro Toys, comes with a, well, it's the type you get advertised for the Sig Sauer MCX, MPX, or the Virtus. It's 22 cal. Yeah, I'll just get this screwed in. I got a gog on here, make sure it's on. Okay. And here's the little, it's got a little adjustable cheek, height adjuster for your cheek rest. And that just goes on here. And you can tighten it down with that screw, but I think it looks ridiculous on this big, long, ridiculous long stock tank style that they have here. So I'm just going to take that off for now. I wouldn't be surprised if it adds a, no, not much, maybe a centimeter girth, a bit more. Yeah, okay, safety. Air's turned off. I just got to move this camera around to where I'm going to be shooting. Don't mind the little journey here. Yeah, just set this where somewhere back here. Oh, my finger. Alrighty. Okay. I'll go get this now. Alright, you got the M17, so we're gonna wind it up. I guess that should be good for now. I'm hoping. Yeah, I'll give it this. Turn the gas on and see what happens. Okay, there's the bolt. Put on the, take safety off. Let's see what happens here. If it'll even fire. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it another wind just so we don't run out. Oh, I think it's an O-ring or something, but yeah, at least we know the magazine works. I'll just move it over here. Oh, my ball spilled out. But yeah, guys, at least we know the magazine works. I sprung a little leak there, but this thing hasn't been shot in a year, so could be a seal, could be an O-ring, probably just some O-ring somewhere in there. But anyways, there's the what is it? The G3D Mark II drum. The what was it called? It was the G3D drum Mark II. Anyways, have a good one, guys.